welcome at PASC 2024 at ETH Zurich. I'm here with Elaine Rayborn from Sandia National Lab. Welcome, Elaine. You were chairing a mini symposium. Can you tell us what the mini symposium was about?
Absolutely. So the mini symposium was about pathways to foundations for the scientific software ecosystem. And so we were really lucky to have 3 presenters in our mini symposium from different perspectives. So Stefano Zampini kicked off our mini symposium talking about PETC's journey to NumFocus, which is a foundation for software. And so he focused mostly on developers and on the benefits to developers. Then the next presentation was by Todd Gamblin from Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory. And he's the creator of SPAC and also the co-founder of the High Performance Software Foundation. So he spoke about SPAC's journey as a large project into the foundation and how having a growth mindset made him actually want to create the High Performance Software Foundation with another collaborator from Sandia Labs, Christian Trott. And then our final presentation was by François Matheson, and he is actually a director of scientific visualization at Kitware. And he spoke about the challenges of governance for scientific software and how foundations can actually assist with that. And so it was really interesting to have different perspectives from industry, national lab, and from the university.
Thank you. Your main symposium sounds very interesting. So what was the outcome? If you would be able to summarize one important message, what would that be?
I think hands down the most important message that came out of the mini symposium today was that software is about people and sustainability is about people. And maybe I noticed this because I'm a social scientist myself, so I focus on that. But really, honestly, I think it just came out from all of the presentations how the focus is really on the contributors and the focus is on the community. And that's how these projects thrive and grow. So it was fascinating, really.
If you would like to have a follow-up, maybe to come back at the next conference, what are the next steps that you think would be easily, and I mean, because we are all busy, once we finish the conference, we go back to our daily work. But if you could, what would you like to see happening in the coming year?
Okay, that's a great question because we were here actually last year at PASC and we had a mini symposium called Code as Community. And this year we had the mini symposium which was focused on sustainability through pathways to foundations. And so what I see happening as we evolve this idea of community and people being important to sustainability is the formation of maybe a forum where we can start to have conversations about how we can really support each other in sustainability and in foundations. And so we are actually following up already with this. We're having some BOF days next week. And so we're going to kick off a virtual foundations forum where people can just talk and share ideas and best practices about sustainability and just, how we sustain our codes through all kinds of different venues.
So thank you, Elaine. Actually, this is an amazing way of concluding this short interview because I really like this idea that you will actually have a concrete step to follow up and you already have action items and a way to keep the discussion ongoing. Thank you, and I hope to see you next year.
You will. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank you.